Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Yes, thanks so much for tuning in. Just to let you know, I made this from a canvas stick mirror. It's because I move around. People in Dubai, we always move around. If you want to know how I made this bomb vanity mirror, please keep watching.
To start off, I'm going to clean the back of the mirror because it's a disaster. There's a hollow block in there. I don't know how it got there. I was just using a glue and the whole thing came off. So it took me 30 minutes to clean that. It was a waste of time. And now I am measuring the sides. Just make sure everything is even so we have an allowance for the lights. Mani and Petty are not cheap, so I'm protecting myself using gloves before I touch this super glue because I've done it before. Oh my god, it took so long to take off, and you know, safety first. It didn't show on the video, but I actually put marks on the canvas as my guideline because as soon as I put the super glue onto the mirror, it dries so fast and I may not have time. So yeah, that would really help if you want to do this too. Time to install the Vanity mirror lights. I got mine from Amazon and it's super affordable. I'm very happy about it. It comes in 3 colors: yellow, bright white, and dark white. Also comes with extra adhesive if you need it, and it is a USB input, which is very convenient. If you're interested in getting one, I will link the product down below. The key to success for this project is to get the perfect measurement from the mirror to the lights. I have 10 bulbs of Vanity lights. My plan was to put 3 bulbs on the left and right, 2 bulbs for the top and bottom. Don't worry about the crazy wirings. I'm going to tuck the wires behind the canvas using a packaging tape. Yay! Mission accomplished! I made a video dedicated to Vanity makeover. If you want to check that out, you could see more of the Vanity mirror lights that I've done today. I will link the video in the description box. Since you're already here, might as well hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Take care. See ya.